All right, so this is how you insert a power switch. You're gonna go to robot parts in your data panel. Gonna go to ant weight parts, and you're gonna find the one that says power switch. You can drag this in here or right click on it and do insert into current design. Wait for my very slow computer to load it. All right, so it's down there somewhere. I'm just always gonna hit the up arrow to raise it so I could see it. Okay, so this red thing has to be facing up, and this white face has to be up against the bot. All right, so I got to turn this using the circles to get this facing the right way. So I'm going to drag this circle up 90 degrees. Okay, I'm going to get this circle around here to turn it around 90. Oh my goodness. Actually, 180 degrees. My bad, because I'm turning it around. All right. And now I want to put it right up against this wall. The easiest way to do that is just change to a point-to-point over here. All right, and I'm just going to click on, I don't know, let's do this bottom corner right here of my box of the power switch. And I'll just put that bottom corner right here on this corner right here. All right, so I know it is up against the wall. Okay, and now I'm going to use free move over here to slide this over. Okay, I'm going to change my view. I'm just going to bring this down. Again, this white face has to be up against the wall. I'll bring this down. Okay. So it is up against the wall. The white face is against the wall. The red circle is facing up. That's exactly what I want. All right, and I hit OK. All right. So now how do you make holes in here so you could attach this to the bot? It's very easy. You're going to get rid of all your bodies. So click the eyeball so that the bodies disappear. The only thing you should be left with is the power switch and the other stuff. And I'm going to create a sketch, but I'm going to create a sketch on the face of this brown part right here. Okay. And now I'm just going to click here in this circle, not the center again, not the rim, but just in a blank space. Click. I'm going to hold down Control to select something else, to select the other circle. And then I am going to hit E for extrude. I'm going to bring back the body. Someone's knocking at the door. And I'm going to just click on this wall. And now it made two holes. I'm going to hit OK. All right, hold on. I got to get the door.
He's not here.
No, my bad. I was recording something.
All right.
That's why I wasn't answering.
Is he supposed to be in this class?
No, there's no class here right now. Oh. Yeah, that's not today. Oh, is it today? Shit, is that today or tomorrow? He might be. Try AB 10. Yeah, try AB 10.
Okay.
All right. Yep. All right, so now I have the holes to screw into the power switch. All right, you're all done. That's how you install the power switch.